Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I am back with another video. Today's video will be a little different, okay? So we are doing a challenge. Ashley Daniela challenged me. She challenged me to try out the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection and style my hair. So she thinks that she can style her hair better than you, girl. But you know, we both are queen of curls, okay? So it might be a tie. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve this super cute half up, half down look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so the perm rods we're using are the orange colored, and then we're going to start off with the Frizz Patrol setting mousse. And this setting mousse worked very well for this perm rod set. It kind of slicks down those flyaways and gives you a nice soft hold, which is really desirable for this look. And then we're also using the Shine Boss Sheen Mist, and this is just going to add some shine to your hair. I'm just brushing both of these products through. I'm not really saturating the hair with the products because you want your hair to be partly dry. You don't want it soaking wet with that setting mousse. And then I'm also adding a little secret ingredient, you know, because this is a challenge and we have to by all means win. So I have a little bit of color on the ends of my hair just to match the theme of the Grapeseed collection, and it turned out really great. And then we're just wrapping this perm rod up the hair and latching it closed. So we're going to continue to do this for our entire head, and I'm just going in with the Frizz Patrol setting mousse and the Shine Boss. And as you can see, I do have like the front portion of my hair already parted off because we are doing a half up, half down, and I encourage you to go ahead and part your hair like this before you start putting in the perm rods, so you already have a discreet part and you're not going in and messing up your curls once you complete the perm rod set trying to create a part. So this is what the back half looks like, and then this is my head completely done in the two products that I use. Yes, my hands are a little messy, but here we are taking out the perm rods, and I sat under a hooded dryer for about an hour. I watched an episode of Stranger Things, and now we are taking this down. After I finish taking all of these perm rods out, I go off camera, separate and diffuse the curls. This hairstyle is mainly on the half up, half down style. I just want to show you the process of how I got my curls the way that they are before I proceed with putting my hair half up, half down. Now as you can see, my hair is curled by the perm rods, and then you're going to see in the next clip how it looks after I separated and diffused the hair. So we still have this part going across the front, which is perfect. And then I am just sectioning off the back portion of the hair so we can work with the front. So you want to go ahead and separate even further this front portion of the hair, pick out at the root, but you also want to pick kind of halfway down the hair shaft because we're trying to give this bun volume in the top of our hair. So we're just going to pick for volume, and then here I'm just pinning it up so we can work on these edges. So I'm taking Ice Curls and Slicked, and these two products are very, very, very good. I'm super excited to try out this Ice Curls gel along with the setting mousse for a wash and go, but here we're just using it to lay down our edges. And we're just adding, right now I'm adding the ice curls, and then I add the slicked styling glue when it's time to do the baby hairs, and you'll see that momentarily. So I'm just rubber banding off my ponytail after I slick it down, and then separating the hair just a little bit more so I can get some volume, and then pinning that out of the way so we can do the edges. And here I'm just taking an edge brush and just pulling out my baby hairs, and then we're going to add some of this slicked styling glue to the edges. And honey, my edges did not go anywhere with this slicked styling glue. Look at those edges, y'all. So now I want to show you how I get the bun. I double pineapple it, and so I'm taking another rubber band and going about 2 inches above the base of the ponytail and wrapping it, and then letting the curls hang over. And then we're just gonna group these curls kind of at the base of the bun. So this gives your bun a little bit of height, but it also gives you that tapered bun look where it's like bigger at the top and then tapers down at the base. And then I'm just fluffing this to my desired fluff. So once we're done messing with this bun, I'm just gonna take out the back portion of the hair, and then we're just fluffing it out and separating the curls even more so we can have a nice voluminous half down. And then y'all know I had to beat my face for this intro and outro, so y'all gonna see my little magic trick where I poof and disappear. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. And you know I had to do a little extra something so I can beat Ashley at this challenge. Y'all tell me who y'all think won, me or Ashley. This is my hairstyle with Aunt Jackie's new Grapeseed collection, and I have to say I'm in love. So for extra little pizzazz, I added a little purple on the ends in honor of the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection. And I used the Frizz Patrol setting mousse for my perm rod set. And I love doing this like loose perm rod where it dries halfway and then I diffuse it. So I went off camera and diffused my hair, and that's how I get this like voluminous, hair. And I love it. And this bun up top is giving me life. If you guys want another tutorial with maybe like a different bun style, y'all let me know in the comments. I'll definitely be showing you guys more of the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection because I loved it so much. And do y'all see these edges? Slicked. And they're not going anywhere, okay? So yeah, I'm super excited to maybe do a wash and go with this collection, but so far so good. I am digging this collection. I'm digging the gel, the setting mousse, and the Shine Boss is also really good because it gives my hair a nice sheen, and I'm here for it. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I think I killed it. Y'all let me know if I won the AJ Texture Challenge or if Ashley won it. Ashley, I think we should just call this a tie because we both slayed the game. I'm just saying. But yes, guys, I love you so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tifl. Bye guys.